Placing comments on a whiteboard is also a great way to communicate with others. You can see here that I've got a couple of comments that I placed on this compass here. Somebody else has come in here while I was gone. Oh, it was Frank. Came in and said navigation skills are required. I could say, good idea. So we can have a conversation about different elements that are on the whiteboard as well. So you can see here that we're having a conversation. The original comment was made by Frank. Here's some comments I had. Now to place a new comment, if I just go down here to the word balloon, I can just click on comment. You can also do Alt-C, and I can place the comment where I'd like. And I could say, this is West. And you can see here that I can place comments and enter into conversations and dialogues about the different objects that might be on my whiteboard. So this little comment bubble is a very useful tool, simple to use, but also very powerful to facilitate communication on specific elements and specific areas of the whiteboard.